Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something game-changing for anyone in need of high-quality content without spending hours writing or breaking the bank on freelancers. If you've been around content creation for a while, you know how big of a challenge it can be to keep up with consistent, engaging articles, blog posts, or website content. So, when I heard about Creaite 2.0, I was immediately curious. This tool is designed to create unique, human-like articles for pretty much any niche you can think of in under 90 seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's see if it really delivers. For those who don't know, Creaite 2.0 is the latest version of an AI-powered content creation tool. This platform was developed by Josh Zamora and his team, who've been working hard since their initial launch to make it better, faster, and even more accurate. And I can say right off the bat, there are some impressive updates here. Creaite 2.0 isn't just about spitting out content. It's designed to write articles that are high quality, SEO-friendly, and readable for real human audiences. The timing for this launch is pretty exciting too, because they're offering some exclusive bonuses and discounts during the 2.0 launch, so if you're interested, now's the time to check it out. Let's talk about what Creaite 2.0 actually does. Essentially, it's like having a personal content writer at your disposal 24/7, ready to create high-quality articles for you at a moment's notice. Creaite claims that it can write an article in less than 90 seconds, and the results are supposed to be as close to human writing as possible. And here's the best part. You can use it to create content in any niche. No restrictions. That's huge because a lot of AI writing tools out there limit you to certain topics or struggle with niche-specific content. But Creaite's upgraded AI engine now supports any niche you can imagine, so it's designed to be useful for everyone, whether you're in tech, health, finance, lifestyle, or something totally unique. One of the standout features in this update is the new AI writing engine. The original version of Creaite was already creating impressive content, but they weren't satisfied with just good. They've implemented a much larger and more powerful AI model for 2.0, which means the quality is even better. This updated engine is all about producing accurate, high-quality content, and they've really focused on making it as close to human-written as possible. I tried it myself, and honestly, it's hard to tell the difference. The content flows well, the grammar is on point, and it doesn't sound robotic or forced. It's perfect for people who want reliable, readable content without hiring a freelancer every time. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Creaite 2.0 comes with a new feature that allows you to take any existing content, whether it's something you wrote yourself or something you found online, and rewrite it into a fresh, unique version. This is especially handy if you're repurposing content or trying to add new twists to existing articles without copying. The AI will read the content, understand the structure, and then rephrase it in a way that's 100% unique but still true to the original meaning. It's like having a professional content editor who can rewrite articles quickly without losing quality or readability. And if you're running a business or handling client work, this next part is a huge time saver. Creaite 2.0's content editor now includes options to add relevant images and optimize your articles for SEO directly within the platform. Plus, if you upgrade, you can even publish your content straight from Creaite to your website or client's site, all from within the dashboard. This feature is a big deal if you're managing multiple sites or want to streamline your workflow even further. In terms of value, I think Creaite 2.0 stands out. Normally, hiring a freelance writer can get expensive fast, especially if you need a steady stream of content. With Creaite, you're paying a fraction of that cost, and you're able to create high-quality articles on demand. Plus, with the upgrades in 2.0, they've added a lot more flexibility and power, so it's not limited to just simple articles. You can create blog posts, SEO content, and even longer pieces, all with just a few clicks. So overall, I think Creaite 2.0 is really impressive. It's a solid solution for anyone needing consistent content but not wanting to spend hours writing or dealing with freelancers. If you're interested in checking it out, I definitely recommend watching the live demo they've put together. It gives a clear picture of how Creaite works and what you can expect from it. The launch discounts and bonuses are an added incentive too, so if you're curious, it might be worth grabbing a copy now. Alright, that's it from me today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you think AI is the future of content creation, or if you have any questions about Creaite. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.